Good morning, y'all. It's Saturday morning. And why they go? She out here messing with these cats. What are you doing, honey? Yeah, she out here feeding the cat. But anyway, we're about to go get us some meat.
Mimi. Mimi.
Hey, kitty, kitty. Hey. Yeah, we're about to go get us some meat. Don't put both of them up under there. We're about to go get something to eat.
You.
I just woke up, really. And then I think we got nothing to do today. So yeah, we about to go get something to eat. Our Cobra didn't get the kids no cereal before he left. So I don't feel like going to the store, so I'm just gonna run to Burger King, get us a biscuit or stop. But yeah, we'll see y'all later on today. Peace. Good morning, y'all. Which one is mine? Yeah, mine's the dirty one. I'm finna freeze going out here to get my coat. Out the car. It's raining, y'all. It's cold. My jacket's in the car. Oh, and it's cold. My jacket gonna be cold, y'all. I hate riding in my car when it's raining, cause I feel like my seat weather is just cold, y'all. Sit y'all right here for a second. While I put my coat on. Oh, I got you. What's it? Okay, we're ready to go. I am headed to Walmart. Yeah, anyway. Distracted. I'm headed to Walmart. Turn it down till you get warm. Y'all headed to Walmart to get gotta go to Walmart and the Dollar Tree. While I was at home cleaning up and organizing some stuff, and I gotta go get bins and boxes and different little stuff like that to put some of the kids' special camera toys and stuff in. And then I'm going to find me something to wear to the game Friday. We are going to our hometown team, my alma mater, my alumni, made it to the football state championship game. The football state championship. And we're going up there Friday. The game is Friday, we're going Friday. And I need to go find me somewhere and make us some kind of shirt or something. Yeah, that's where I'm headed. I think I'm gonna wear a jogging suit because it's probably gonna be real cold. So find me a sweat top and maybe camera sweat top. I don't know what hubby and Corday gonna do. I think he's gonna find something when he get off work. But yeah. And then I got a couple of other shirts that I got to do for the game. I'm gonna try to get it out the way. They just gonna be a cleaning day. Get ready to leave for Friday, so you know, want to have a clean house. You know, when you go somewhere and you come home, you want your house to be clean. So we trying to clean up, y'all. We trying to clean up. What's today? Wednesday, the 6th, I think. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. Headed to Hollywood. I'm in Walmart like maybe 4 times, 5 times out of a week. Yeah. I'll see y'all when I get to Walmart. Y'all, I'm back from Walmart. I'm about to cook me something to eat. Cause I'm hungry. I didn't eat nothing this morning but a smoothie. Not a smoothie, a green juice that hubby made for me. This is what I got. I don't know why my my light keep coming on. What I got from Walmart. Some stuff to organize the kids' room. Got a shoe rack for Cameron to put her shoes in, and a couple of different more stuff for her to organize her room. And I'm about to get started on that. Cause with 2 kids in one room, it's not so much as Corday, because he's, you know, big now. He don't have toys. So, but it's just Kimber just cannot keep her room clean. So I'm trying to organize it in a way that maybe she can keep it clean. Because sharing a room, them 2 sharing a room is, but hopefully in the next year or so we can, you know, fix that problem. I don't know how. Well, one way, y'all, my arm tight. I don't feel like holding up to get some good light. But one way is by moving or by adding on. But I don't think I want to, you know, I think I want to move. When we move here, y'all, I was tired. When we moved here, it was a temporary situation. We moved from a bigger house to a smaller house because of finance reason, you know, because of, you know, we was buying a house and it didn't work out. So we moved to rent this house. But it was, you know, a temporary thing, but we've been here for 3 years now. And it was too little when we moved. But hey, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. But we working on it because the kids are getting older, and I said by the time Corey get 12, 13 years old, it was gonna be time to move again. And the next move will be our last move. So we're trying to find something that we can buy and fix up ourselves. But hey, I don't know what we're gonna do, but just something gonna have to be did because the house is just too small. And the kids are getting big and they're gonna need their own room pretty soon. But anyway, I'm just rambling. But I'm about to see, can I get their room together, and then I can. No, I can't chill. I got t-shirts to make, but yeah. Let me go cook my food. I'll see y'all later.
What?
You did funny thing. You can't hide
Do it again, though. How you do?
Do like it.
How you do it? Wait a minute, wait.
Do it again.
How you do
Do
it?
like it. You get your leg like this, you go down. You hold your arm like this, you gotta pull away back. What I told you.
What you call that?
Oh no, the
I'm
dinosaur.
saying the throwing.
Bottle flip. That's the dinosaur man.
I guess he just gave you guys the technique on the bottle flip.
That's the dinosaur.
Y'all, what's up, y'all? I'm out running errands. Y'all see, I'm in Betsy. I'm in the truck. I had get Betsy an oil change, and go get a tie put on because we're driving Betsy to the game tomorrow. Just because I gotta go all the way down to get to CVS, y'all. To get to CVS. But I gotta drive. We driving Betsy to the game tomorrow. We got passengers, so that's why we driving this and not the Jeep. Oh no! No, she just turned in front of the car. Oh, let my pocketbook slide. But yeah, just got an oil change. I'm headed to CVS, and then I'm going to. I gotta go to the vinyl place too, and then going to Walmart to get a tie. And y'all, I don't know who did it. Who was the culprit? Corey or Camber got my Carmex out my purse. Y'all don't never want to be caught in this kind of air with no Carmex. Don't do it. Ooh, I need something so bad. I'm gonna have to get some out CVS. But that ain't what I'm coming. I'm looking for some socks. They have Panther socks at CVS, so that's what I'm doing. But y'all, I've been running CVS. I'll see y'all later. Good morning, y'all. We up bright and early on this Friday morning to go see the Panthers to bring that championship home. We're going to Tuscaloosa today. What is this? Oh, that shit. And y'all, guess what? It's snowing up there. But it's supposed to stop by the time the game starts, so we should be okay. Hopefully it stops. And we can bring it on home. But I'm gonna put my clothes on and stuff and fix my face a little bit. And we finna get ready to go.
Don't know, I'm bony, man. Don't get the chance.
They gonna see you with your white beat on. Finna do my face a little bit. And we finna get ready to roll out.
What he wearing?
His clothes laid out right there. And they are. It don't matter the joints or whatever he want to wear. The kids just ran up my mama's house because she bought Kimber a scarf and stuff. So she going up there to get her stuff. And what I'm looking for. So yeah, I see y'all when we get ready to go. Y'all, we about to get ready to pull out and go see these Panthers whoop them butt. But yeah, we just picking up Corey's brother. And then we're headed out. We ready. Go Panthers. Go Panthers. Yeah, we in Walmart. Break the screen? Oh no. I had to get me some boots.
Yeah, it's snowing.
Cause it's snowing.
It's slushy.
And
somebody decided to wear some joint.
And my yeah.
But check me out.
The same rain boots.
Check me out.
I got it home.
Check me out. They wouldn't listen. Check me out. I came prepared.
Well, who knew it was gonna be snowing, y'all? It's snowing. I realized snowing. So we stopped in Walmart. We were looking for a clear bag, but they ain't got no clear bag.
We gotta stop at the next one. More snow means
no clear bags, no clear bags. But yeah, we just stopped to find some clear bags. They ain't had that, so I got me some rain boots. And then we're on our way back on the road. Where's car?
no phone.
You cold?
Hey,
Cold?
yeah, I'm cold. My
I
face
thought
cold.
that was a bomb, and I got
At Walmart, I had got that snow and I rolled up. It was real hard. It was real hard.
it was.
Say your neck roll tide.
But neck roll tide.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, there's no way.
Oh, they were bad.
Huh?
What? 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 What?
Every time. Glad. Yeah, we made it. And it's cold.
Man, I want some snow.
You want it to snow down here and it's cold?
But I want some snow.
It's cold out.
Ain't no snow. Look, guys. Look.
Snow gone. It'll
Ain't no
stop
snow. But it's some snow back there where we parked
She wants
at.
some snow so bad. Ooh, y'all, my hand cold.
Because of Daddy,
Okay,
he
I'm finna go out that
waited
light
us.
game. Y'all, we winning. I think we're going to take this one home. Then it's snowing. I never been to a football game in the snow.
See that snow, man. Them little
Okay, too. So look at my. Yeah, we just made it home. And let me show y'all what I'm finna do. Hold on, show y'all what I'm finna do. Finna knock out. So, peace. Oh, groovy, baby. All right, what's your name? Your name is Flower Power. Come here, Flower Power.
Hippie type stuff.
You hear what she look like, a hippie. And then Willie Joe. He just pulled them bridges up, Willie Joe. Pull them bridges.